Hello, and welcome to Unleashed Abundance 108, your hub for inspiration, growth, and thriving in every aspect of life. Today, we are diving into a powerful and transformational topic: creative goal setting strategies for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with actionable tools to set and achieve goals in a way that feels empowering and fun. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update. Let's jump in. Have you ever set a New Year's resolution only to forget about it by February? You're not alone. Let's explore why traditional goal setting often falls short and how we can approach it differently. The first and the most obvious answer to that is it lacks impact. Many goals are vague or disconnected from our true desires. For example, saying, "I want to exercise more," doesn't tap into the deeper motivation behind the goal, like improving your health or gaining more energy. Without that connection, it's easy to lose focus. It could create unnecessary pressure. Rigid goals can feel overwhelming and discourage us from even starting. When we set the bar too high without a plan, we are setting ourselves up for frustration. Instead, we need flexibility and a focus on progress. Some goals could miss the bigger picture. Traditional goal setting often doesn't address the why behind the goal. Understanding your deeper purpose gives your goals meaning and keeps you motivated even when challenges arise. So let's talk about how you can shift your mindset for success. And before we dive into strategies, let's talk about mindset. Success starts in your mind, and a small shift can make all the difference. You want to start by embracing a growth mindset. Instead of focusing on what you can't do, ask yourself, what can I learn from this experience? Every setback is an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. Remember, the path to success is paved with lessons. Let's spend a few minutes on understanding SMART goals. You may have heard of SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. But here's the twist: approach them with creativity. For example, instead of save $5,000, say save for a dream vacation that inspires me daily. Making goals personal brings them to life. You want to celebrate progress over perfection. It's not about getting it perfect. It's about moving forward. Each small win is a step closer to your ultimate goal. So whether you're 10% or 90% there, celebrate the progress you've made. So now we'll shift into some of the creative goal setting techniques. Let's explore some innovative ways to set goals that inspire action and joy. These strategies add fun and creativity to the process. Let's talk about reverse engineering, the very first method here. Start with the end in mind. Imagine it's December 2025 and you've achieved your dream. What does that look like? Now break it down. Divide your goal into quarterly milestones. For example, if your goal is to write a book, your first milestone could be completing an outline by March. From there, break it into monthly and weekly tasks. This approach helps you see the path clearly and stay on track. You want to start creating some vision boards. Visualization is a powerful tool. Create a vision board to make your goals tangible. Gather images, quotes, and words that represent your aspirations. If your goal is financial freedom, include pictures of the lifestyle you envision. Place your vision board where you'll see it daily. This constant reminder will keep your goals at the forefront of your mind. You want to also develop some SMART goals, but with a twist. Make goal setting fun by adding a personal touch. If you love humor, frame your goals playfully. Instead of saying exercise for 30 minutes daily, say train to become the superhero version of myself. Align your goals with passions so they feel like exciting adventure rather than a chore. Now, let's talk about how you can turn goals into actions. Because setting goals is just the beginning. Here's how to bring them to life with consistent action. Break goals into manageable steps. Think of your goal as a puzzle. Each small action is a piece that contributes to the bigger picture. For instance, if your goal is to start a business, your first step might be researching the market or creating a business plan. Start using a goal tracker. Tracking your progress helps you stay motivated, whether you prefer apps, spreadsheets, or a journal. Seeing your accomplishments builds momentum. Plus, it feels amazing to check off tasks. Find accountability partners. Share your goals with someone who supports and motivates you. Whether it's a friend, a family member, or mentor, accountability adds a layer of commitment that keeps you moving forward. Maintaining momentum and celebrating success is critically important. The journey doesn't end when you set your goals. Staying motivated and celebrating along the way are key. You want to review and adjust regularly. Life happens, and that's okay. Take time to reflect on your progress, weekly or monthly. If something isn't working, tweak your approach. Flexibility is your friend. Start celebrating milestones. Every achievement, big or small, deserves recognition. Treat yourself to something special when you hit a milestone. Celebrating keeps the journey enjoyable and reinforces your commitment. Positive self talk. Your inner dialogue shapes your reality. Replace doubts with affirmations like I am capable of achieving my dreams or every day I'm getting closer to my goals. Speak to yourself like you would a trusted friend. I will share a link to my playlist on affirmations so that you can access them very easily. Now, final thoughts. Creative goal setting isn't just about what you want to achieve, it's about who you become along the way. By shifting your mindset, using innovative strategies, and staying consistent, you can make 2025 your most abundant year yet. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Unleashed Abundance 108. We are here to help you grow, thrive, and unlock your full potential. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and keep coming back for more inspirational content. Thank you for watching, and here's to a year of abundance and success.